Hello students, welcome back to computer period. Today we will do the practical part of this HTML and we will see how to make use of this HTML codes. Now we will see some example questions. Now the question will be create a web page having the following specification. First, the titles as my first web page, and the text should be as I am student of 8th standard. Okay, this only we have to, in the web page we have to see only this much. What is the procedure? First step is what we have to do. First open a notepad or any text editor. In that we should start writing. What is the steps? First one is HTML, then next tag is head, then what you have to write? Title. What is our title? Should be my first web page, my first web page, and this tag should be closed with the forward hash symbol. Next you have to write body tag, and what is the text? I am a student of 8th standard. And it should be, the tag should be closed, body tag should be closed, and again that we have to close slash head and slash HTML. What we have to do next, in order to see the result, first we have to save the file. How to file, save, then give the file name as we'll give some name as school with the extension .html. We have saved that, and next we have to open any web browser like Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome and select our file school.html, open that and look at the result. See, the only you want to see all these tags which we wrote, the output will be only the title which you wrote and this text of the sentence what you wrote, I am a student of 8th standard. Only that you can see. Next we want to add more tags. We'll make some modification and we'll prepare one more this web page. So I will change the question as question number 2, and we want to add title as second web page, and text let it be I am a student of 8th standard, and we'll add one more sentence, I am studying, I am interested in HTML program. So, next, what the step? Again the same procedure, open the notepad and you have to add and this one more sentence in between that body tag, and you can see second sentence will be I am interested in HTML program. After making this change, file save, and because you have did some changes, and again you see the output and the one more sentence which you wrote is going to add this. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Now more tags will make use of. Now we want to write our school name on big letters by using H1 tag and in the bold letters and in the center. We will see how we can write that. So question will be this question number 3 I will say. Create web page having the following specification. Title will make changes as third web page and text Indrali English Medium School, text as Indrali English Medium High School. Then it should be center it, bold it and underline it. Underline and other contents can write text should be this one should be in H1 size font. Then your class name A standard you should be in H2 size font. Then Indrali Udupi, like that you can write Indrali. Place name should be in H6 size. Okay, how to write that? The same, open the notepad and write HTML head and title should be changed as third web page. Then can start again writing head, then we can write body tag, start writing with the tag body. Then what you want to write? We want to write our school name, that is in the big size, so write H1 and it should be bold and center, so you write B. You can write capital also, small also. Then it should be in underline, so you can use underline. What I wrote, center it, bold it and underline. Okay, underline you give U, again you can write center, CENTER, and write your school name in the middle, IMHS school name, and whatever you started should be closed, H1, then /B, or what we started, underline, /underline, again center. That should be closed with the forward hash symbol. Now, like what is the next we want to write is A standard in H2 size. H2 we want to write only A standard, only that much, no formatting, so A standard, write /H2. Then Indrali, place name, you write H6 size, that should be small letters, least sized font size, so it is H6 and it should be in H6. Or according to this our question, the answer or code we should write is in this manner. Over, then /body and /HTML. After finish writing this file, save and give the file name, or we can give file names your name or name. I will give school3.html file name. So every file should be added with the extension .html, and you go to browser, any browser, and search your file and open and see the output of this course in the web page. And whatever you remember, whatever you want, how it should be, and according to your requirement you have to use the various types of tags. And we'll see one more example. Example question number 4. The creative web page having the following, and this should be our fourth web page. Then text we wrote IIMHS or everything, let it be as it is. Now we want paragraph about your school. Say write a para about your school. So how we can write? We can make the changes here only, or you can open new page also. I wrote here question number 4, no? So we will write here we will write fourth web page. This title as fourth web page had all the same. H1, let it be this is our school name. H2 class name. H6 place name. Now we want to add paragraph. So what is the tag we want to use? That you know, that is P. So start writing P in between the tags and start writing your school, about your school. The name of our school is whatever you want to write, can write. The name of our school is right, and it is very good school, like that. Whatever you are having knowledge about your school, you can write in a paragraph, and after finish writing you have to close with the /P. Paragraph closed. Now you have to close that with the all /body, and body tag should be closed, and /HTML because every pages should be ended with the /HTML. Understood? Now file, save, and then you can view in the web browser the whatever you wrote, the result of that, the web page. So along with this school name, you will get a paragraph about your school, and it is about the paragraph tag. Now we want you want to see the colors of the letters. You want to change the colors. You can once again open the same file, which is one school3.html, and can write here we want a font color. So we will give font color for our paragraph. So we can add here only P, then can write font color COLOR is equal to, we want to write red, double quotes you write red. So what it indicates? Paragraph font color will be red. So you can see the font color in the red. Understood? And whatever you have making any modification or it changes, you should every time you have to save it, then you have to view them in the web browser. Understood, children? Okay. Now next class will make use of some other tags. Thank you. Will be next class.